Most garden channels are going to try to sell you a product. I'm going to show you how to grow without needing one. I'm Jake. I grow in Zone 6B. Everything you're going to see grown on this channel will be no synthetics, no expensive fertilizers, no expensive seed starting trays, and no shortcuts. If a technique doesn't work in real soil, I'm not going to tell you to try it. You're not just going to watch me harvest things. Every crop I grow gets a seed to harvest full guide, and all the mistakes will be included. I've killed plenty of plants so you don't have to, and if you want to know when you should start your tomatoes, how deep to plant potatoes, why your cool seasons crops bolted, I've got an answer key down below for it. And the best place to start, check it out after this. Carter's Gardens, we're growing clean, synthetic, free, good food from good soil, and I'll see you in the next one.